Our planet teems with life. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every corner of the Earth is brimming with living beings. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, life finds a way. In the harshest environments where one might think life is impossible, organisms have adapted to survive and thrive. This extraordinary diversity of living organisms is a testament to the power of evolution. Over millions of years, life has evolved into a myriad of forms, each uniquely suited to its environment. Millions of species, each uniquely adapted to their environment, create a complex and interconnected web of life. This web is delicate yet resilient, constantly changing and adapting. But how do we begin to understand this vast array of organisms? Scientists have dedicated their lives to studying the natural world, uncovering the secrets of life through meticulous research and observation. To study and appreciate the diversity of life, we need a system of classification. This system allows us to organize and categorize organisms based on their shared characteristics, making it easier to study and understand the relationships between different species. This system helps us organize and categorize organisms based on their shared characteristics. By grouping organisms together, we can better understand their evolutionary history and how they are related to one another. This allows scientists to communicate about different species in a clear and concise way. It provides a common language that researchers around the world can use to share their findings and collaborate on new discoveries. One widely used system is the five-kingdom classification. This system divides all living organisms into five main groups, each with its own unique characteristics and evolutionary history. This system divides all living organisms into five main groups: Monera, which includes bacteria and other single-celled organisms without a nucleus; Protista, which are mostly single-celled organisms with a nucleus; Fungi, which include mushrooms, molds, and yeasts; Plantae, which encompasses all plants; and Animalia, which includes all animals. While more complex systems exist, the five-kingdom system provides a solid foundation for understanding the basic differences between major groups of organisms. In the following sections, we will delve into each of these kingdoms, exploring their unique characteristics, examples of organisms within each group, and their importance in the grand scheme of life on Earth. We will see how each kingdom contributes to the balance and sustainability of our planet's ecosystems. Join me on this journey of discovery as we unravel the wonders of the living world. Together we will uncover the intricate tapestry of life that makes our planet so extraordinary. The five-kingdom classification system, though not without its limitations, provides a valuable framework for understanding the diversity of life. Each kingdom represents a major branch on the tree of life, reflecting evolutionary relationships and shared characteristics. Let us begin our exploration with the simplest of these kingdoms, Monera. The kingdom Monera encompasses the smallest and most ancient forms of life on Earth, bacteria. These tiny organisms have been around for billions of years, evolving and adapting to survive in a multitude of environments. These single-celled organisms lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles, classifying them as prokaryotes. Their cellular structure is simple yet incredibly efficient, allowing them to thrive in conditions that would be inhospitable to more complex life forms. Despite their simple structure, bacteria play a crucial role in almost every ecosystem on Earth. They are involved in processes such as nutrient cycling, decomposition, and even the production of oxygen. Some bacteria are photosynthetic, using sunlight to produce energy and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Cyanobacteria, for example, are believed to have played a significant role in the oxygenation of Earth's atmosphere billions of years ago. Others are decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the environment. This process is essential for maintaining the health of ecosystems and supporting plant growth. Still others form symbiotic relationships with other organisms, such as the nitrogen-fixing bacteria that live in the roots of certain plants. These bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use, which is crucial for plant growth and agriculture. Bacteria are incredibly adaptable and can be found in virtually every habitat imaginable, from the depths of the ocean to the human gut. Their versatility allows them to colonize environments that range from extreme heat to freezing cold. Their ability to survive and thrive in such a wide range of conditions is a testament to their evolutionary success. This adaptability has enabled them to persist through mass extinctions and drastic changes in Earth's climate. Bacteria are essential for the environment in numerous ways. They help recycle nutrients in the soil, making them available for plants, and are also used in wastewater treatment to break down pollutants. Their role in agriculture, medicine, and industry highlights their importance to human life and the planet. Section 4, Protista, the first eukaryotes. Moving up the evolutionary ladder, we encounter the kingdom Protista. This diverse group consists of eukaryotic organisms which possess a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Protists are mostly single-celled, although some, like algae, can form colonies. Protists exhibit a wide range of lifestyles and include both autotrophic and heterotrophic organisms. Some, like algae, are photosynthetic and play a crucial role in aquatic ecosystems as primary producers. Others, like amoebas, are heterotrophic and obtain nutrients by engulfing other organisms. The kingdom Protista is incredibly diverse and includes a wide array of organisms, including amoebas, paramecia, algae, and slime molds. Their ecological roles are equally varied, with some acting as primary producers, others as decomposers, and still others as parasites or symbionts. Exam-style question. Explain the difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic organisms using examples from the kingdom Protista. Section 5, Fungi, the recyclers. Often overlooked, the kingdom fungi plays a vital role in the balance of nature. These organisms are found in almost every habitat on Earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, and even in extreme environments like deserts and Arctic tundras. These eukaryotic organisms are heterotrophic, obtaining nutrients by absorbing them from their surroundings. They play a crucial role in nutrient cycling, breaking down complex organic compounds into simpler substances that can be reused by other organisms. Unlike animals which ingest their food, fungi secrete enzymes that break down organic matter externally, then absorb the resulting nutrients. This process is essential for the decomposition of dead organic material, which helps to maintain the health of ecosystems. Fungi are essential decomposers, breaking down dead plants and animals and releasing nutrients back into the ecosystem. This decomposition process not only recycles nutrients but also helps to prevent the accumulation of dead organic matter. Without fungi, our forests would be choked with decaying matter, and the essential nutrients locked within would be unavailable to other organisms. This would disrupt the entire ecosystem, affecting plants, animals, and even humans. Beyond their role as decomposers, fungi also form important symbiotic relationships with other organisms. These relationships can be mutualistic, where both parties benefit, or parasitic, where one benefits at the expense of the other. Mycorrhizae, for example, are mutually beneficial associations between fungi and plant roots. These associations are critical for the health of many plants, enhancing their growth and resilience. The fungi enhance the plant's uptake of water and nutrients, while the plant provides the fungi with sugars produced through photosynthesis. This exchange is vital for the survival of many plant species, especially in nutrient-poor soils. Exam-style question. Describe how fungi obtain nutrients and explain their importance in the ecosystem. Consider their roles as decomposers and their symbiotic relationships with plants. Section 6, Plantae, the foundation of ecosystems, the kingdom. Plantae encompasses the familiar world of trees, flowers, ferns, and mosses. These multicellular eukaryotic organisms are autotrophic, meaning they produce their own food through photosynthesis. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, plants convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of sugars, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Plants form the foundation of most terrestrial ecosystems, providing food and shelter for a vast array of other organisms. They are also crucial to the global carbon cycle, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. This process helps regulate Earth's climate and makes our planet habitable. Exam-style question. Explain the process of photosynthesis and discuss its importance for both plants and other organisms. Section 7. Animalia, the consumers. The animal kingdom, Animalia, is perhaps the most familiar to us. This diverse group includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms that are heterotrophic, obtaining nutrients by consuming other organisms. From tiny insects to massive whales, animals exhibit an incredible range of adaptations and behaviors. Animals play a vital role in ecosystems as consumers, regulating populations of other organisms and shaping the flow of energy through food webs. They also contribute to pollination, seed dispersal, and nutrient cycling. Animals are broadly divided into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates, such as mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, possess a backbone or spinal column. Invertebrates, which lack a backbone, make up the vast majority of animal species and include insects, spiders, crustaceans, mollusks, and many more. Exam-style question. Compare and contrast the characteristics of vertebrates and invertebrates, providing examples of each.